In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a DocuSign envelope certificate of completion. The certificate of completion is an essential document that provides all the key details about the envelope you're interested in, including identifying information and a comprehensive overview of the envelope events. This certificate acts as a digital fingerprint of the entire transaction process, which can come in handy for audits, record keeping, or any compliance needs you might encounter. First, you'll want to navigate to the Agreements tab from within your DocuSign account interface. The Agreements tab is your gateway to all the envelopes that you are a part of. Here, you'll see a list showing your current and past envelopes. This tab is a central hub, helping you quickly locate any document you're working on or have previously completed. Once you're in the Agreements area, the next step is to identify the specific envelope for which you need to download the certificate of completion. This might be an envelope you signed, sent, or just have access to. Carefully scroll through your list, and when you find the envelope you need, look for the small 3 dots icon that appears on the envelope's line. This icon is often designed to represent more options and can usually be found on the far right-hand side of the envelope's entry. Go ahead and click on that. After you click on the 3 dots, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you're going to select the option labeled History. By choosing History, you're taken into a detailed page that outlines all actions and events associated with that particular envelope. This is a comprehensive audit trail showing who viewed, signed, or interacted with the document and at what time. Now, as you view the envelope's history, direct your attention to the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button labeled Download Certificate. Click this button, and your certificate of completion will automatically download to your computer. It's that easy. The file is typically saved in your designated Downloads folder, depending on how your browser settings are configured. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded the DocuSign Envelope Certificate of Completion. This process provides you with a tangible record, confirming all the interactions related to your DocuSign envelope. Whether you're handling multiple agreements daily or just the occasional document, this skill will be a crucial time saver and a reliable way to ensure that all transactions are properly documented. So the next time you're asked to provide specifics about an envelope or document its journey from sender to receiver, you'll have that certificate of completion at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.